Hello class, I'm by the name Samuel. So for today we are going to reassemble PC. So you see this one is a case. So with everything you see here, if we put it all inside, that's what we will call it a computer system, which contains all the components. So here we have a RAM. This one we call it a motherboard. A motherboard, if you see, it contains all the slots where we put the RAM in, and also the slots for putting the processor, which is this one where we put the CPU in. So we are going to fix it like this. This is how we fix it. We make sure that all the ports appear from outside, so that you can be able to fix all the peripheral devices, the mouse, all those ones. You have to see, make sure that's out. So this we call motherboard. So in motherboard we also find this this one we call it CPU, which is a processing unit. So you open like this. Yeah, then you put it here. So after you put it, you close it back. Yeah, there. So you also have this one, the DVD. You put it here. Yeah, there we put our DVD drive. Then we have a floppy. We also fix our floppy here. Yeah, there we fix our floppy. So we have this one, we call it a power supply. It actually supplies a power to the motherboard, then to the whole computer components that we have. So we fix it here. Yeah, here is where I fix the power supply. So this is the connector for the power supply. It connects to the motherboard, supply power to the whole motherboard. There, then we have the heatsink. The heatsink always goes here, sits on top of the processor. This is where the heatsink always sits. Once you put the heat sinks, you also make sure that you tighten it. You tighten it so that it sits properly here. And we also have what we call Ethernet. Ethernet cut. This one we put here. Actually, yeah, this one we fix here actually. So we connect the Ethernet cable from this side when we need a computer to connect to our Ethernet. And we have this one is the SATA cable. The SATA cable connects from the motherboard to the hard disk. This is our hard disk. So it connects from here to here. And we have also our RAM chips, where we have the slots. Their slots are here where we fix them. We always fix them here. There are two of them. That's why we have also two slots. They are here. And we have these ones are expansion slots, where when you need to expand your functionality of the computer, maybe you want to add another audio cards, so you use these slots to add. You open, then you take this off, then you can add any functionality that you need there. So this one we always use to cover it with the DC floppy and the DVD side of it, so that to avoid dust from entering into the computer from this side. So after you assemble everything, you make sure that you tighten all the nuts, you don't forget. Then after you finish tightening everything, then you close up. You close up with your cover. Yeah, once you close everything, then you see how we check up. You pour it on, then you check up your computer system, how it works, whether you have reassembled everything right. So that's what I have. Thank you.